Tell them who you are.
Hello, I'm Connie, Chuck's little sister. I'm here to make mac and cheese.
That's right, that's right.
Mac and cheese.
We're here to make mac and cheese. It's Thanksgiving. I'm so happy my baby sister came all the way from Washington, D.C. Metro to DMV, actually in Maryland. But she came out here to see me, and we start this little tradition. When my family comes out here to see me, we do something that we used to do with our mother. And so our mom used to always bring us into the kitchen with us as kids, and she taught each and every one of us how to cook, and it was a lot of us. Now, one staple. Now, my other baby sister got it earlier this year. Let's see if this baby sister gets it. I got one question to ask her. When you cooking in a Wilson kitchen with Miss Ellery Wilson, what do we do? Do we cook and what?
Clean.
That's right. See, she got it. It's a part of our culture, our DNA. We cook and clean at the same time, right? As we go, as my little sister would say. So we're gonna invite y'all in as we make Mom's famous macaroni and cheese.
With a twist.
Yes. So we got the noodles ready. We got to stir them up a little bit. So I'm going to let my little sister stir them up a little bit.
All right.
And while she's doing that, I'm going to go ahead and cut some of these packs of cheese open. So let me turn this music down a little bit. Want to make sure that y'all can hear us. I'm talking loud, but I don't know if my baby sister going to talk loud. So we're going to turn the music down so y'all can hear us. So when I was talking to my mom earlier this week, what she said is she told me to get sharp cheddar cheese, but being the son that I am, I always got a twist. So I did what Mom said. I got sharp cheddar cheese, and this is going to be part of our cheese mix. You'll see how we do it, but I'm always adding a twist. So I got some pepper jack cheese that we're going to put in there. We're going to put some pepper jack in with that sharp cheddar, and the guests going to let us know what they think a little bit later. So while she getting that ready, I'm going to go ahead and tear some of these open.
Right,
can you hand me that pot over there?
Got you right there.
So I'm going to go ahead and put these cheddars in here. You can tear some open too. We're going to put all of them in there. So basically, the way that Mom instructs us to make this is we actually make a cheese sauce.
That's right.
So
gotta have the cheese sauce.
So this is a cheese sauce. We're putting this pepper jack in there. Then we're gonna mix it with some cheddar. We gotta put some butter in here. A little bit of oil. Mom, I know you're gonna look at this later. Please don't get the strap. My mom been known to get a strap or two in her day and say, she'll get the strap. My mom from Alabama, and they believe in the strap, for real, for real.
They didn't play. The strap or whatever else they could find.
Yes. Look, Mom, I'm gonna go ahead and put your business out. Can you pour 2.5 cups of milk in there? While I put my mom's business in the street, this is probably gonna make it more likely that she get the strap. But I can remember one time when I was a kid, and you know how them kids be, mommy, 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 mommy. Well, one time I was doing my mommy thing, and so back in the day, for y'all youngins that's watching this, you don't bother grown folks while they on the phone. So my mom was on the phone. I don't know who she was talking to, what she was talking about. You could go ahead and pour that in there. But I kept going, mommy, mommy, mommy. And guess what? My mama took This are old school phones. The plastic, they hard. She took that phone and bumped me upside my head. I tell you what, I didn't bother her no more while she was on the phone. So you could go ahead and pour that one in there, sis.
All right.
Then I'm gonna pour this one in there.
Cheese.
This is our cheese mix. So
Clean as we go.
we're gonna clean as we go. We're gonna put all of this up. I usually stuff it in a bag, but you can do it like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this eye on a little bit. So we're gonna turn this eye on. Right. We're gonna go ahead and start melting this sauce. I think we probably gonna need a little bit more milk.
All right.
We'll have to see. Now, Mom said make sure you use a wooden spoon. So I got a wooden spoon to make sure. Yeah, we're gonna need at least, I'm gonna say a cup and a half, more, well, a cup. Let's start with a cup. One more cup of milk. This how you make that Mama's famous macaroni and cheese. I think that's good.
Yep.
Gonna pour that in there. Now, as my friend Keeson would say back at home, we're gonna get it cracking. So we're gonna let this cheese melt, get the cracking, get it nice and loose, so we can pour it in the macaroni. And then it's really a simple resume. Let me go ahead and put this milk up. What we gonna do with that Kobe cheese at the end, sis? You remember?
Sprinkle it on top.
See? Now, you heard my baby sister say we're gonna do it with a twist. So I got these right here. There's some real bacon bits cut up in pieces. Once this cheese gets melted, this cheese sauce, we're gonna add some bacon bits in there and pour it into the mac and cheese. I tell you what, it's gonna be delicious.
All right.
So we're gonna take a pause right now, and we'll be back in a minute once the cheese gets melted.
All right. See ya.
Okay,
All
y'all.
right, we're back.
We're back. That cheese cooked quick. I didn't realize how quick it was gonna cook. So if you want to slide that over in the middle, yeah, right there. Get the mittens over there. It's still kind of hot. Just in case y'all wondering, you got the chitterlings. I don't even know. We got some greens over here, and we got some green beans back there. So I'm gonna hold it, and you can scoop it out. Okay. So we're gonna go ahead and scoop out the cheese into the noodles. Baby sis got this handled.
Get all that goodness, that cheese goodness.
Alright.
Good.
Okay. She's going to go ahead and turn the noodles up. She's going to turn the noodles up, get it all mixed in with the cheese. I'm going to put this up right here, because we cook while we clean.
The Wilson way. Oh, that cheesy goodness.
Y'all see that? Look at that. Y'all see how the cheese is just getting all seeped in with the noodles? And then in the end, before we pull it out, then we sprinkle a little bit of Kobe on it. All right. Then she got it all stirred up in there. That's gonna cook nicely.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Let's see.
What you gonna put that stove on, big brother?
I'm gonna put the stove on 330.
All right.
And here's the reason why. Normally you're supposed to cook it at 350. Don't get me, Mom. But I'm also gonna be baking a ham in there, which that's what we're gonna cook next is this ham. We're gonna get this ham right to throw it in there. And so 330 is a happy medium between 325 and 350. And we're gonna cook the macaroni and cheese a little bit longer to make up for the fact that the temperature is lower. We also got some sweet potatoes in there that's cooking slowly so they can be butter soft.
All right, all right.
Oh man, we forgot to pour in the bacon bits. We'll have to just,
You wanna sprinkle them in? You wanna?
I'll sprinkle them in, sis, while you stir them in there. Get all mixed. I meant to put the bacon bits in the sauce so it just pour it in there, but that's all right.
Improvise. We gotta improvise.
That's right. So I'm gonna spread these bacon bits in here, and then my sister's gonna
Stir it in.
stir it in. Okay. So now we got the bacon bits in there. She's gonna stir that in. Then we're gonna put a lid on it. We're gonna put some foil on it. We're gonna put that in the oven and let it cook.
Let it do its thing.
And it's not too much bacon. It's just enough so you can catch that different texture and that different flavor right in the middle of eating it.
I'm looking forward to this. Thanksgiving is not Thanksgiving without the mac and cheese.
Yes.
All right. We got it all mixed
All right, I
in.
think we're ready. I'm gonna go ahead and put the aluminum foil on top of this. And we're gonna put it in the oven.
And I'll get these pots cleaned up. We gotta clean as we go.
That's the Wilson way. We cook as we clean and clean as we go. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and let this oven open. As I told y'all, we got the sweet potatoes in there. Now we're gonna add this mac and cheese and let it cook. We're gonna take a break. Then we'll be right back with this ham. And that's pretty much gonna be everything left that we got to cook. All right, see y'all in a minute.
Good.